So we had a situation. I had a flat tire, 27.5, but the tubes that I got from dear mate is 29. So let's see if this TikTok hack would work. You just fold it in, pull the tube apart, thumbs together, roll it. Once that's in, one slides out, one slides out, hold it like that, and push it in. You can do 2 fingers, 3 fingers if you like. You do as you wish. Do it until it's almost 27.5. Get you an update. Right, back to the riding.
A few moments later.
Babysitting the folded tubes.
Nilagyan mo ng tube bro, interior. Interior niya ito.
Hot rod, first run. Slides out, hold it like that, and push it in. And that's how you reduce the size of your 29er tube down to 26.